If you are a TikTok creator looking to edit videos quickly and professionally, two names probably come up a lot: CapCut Desktop and Clipchamp. Both are built for fast, social-friendly editing, and both make video creation simple even if you're not a professional editor. But they each have a different personality and workflow, and knowing which one fits your style can make editing much easier and a lot more fun. Let's start with CapCut Desktop. This app is developed by the same company behind TikTok, so it is designed with that platform in mind from the ground up. When you open it, you immediately notice how smooth and modern the interface feels. The layout is clean, the timeline is intuitive, and everything is built to keep you moving fast. You can drag in clips, adjust timing, add filters, captions, or effects, and be done in minutes. One of CapCut's biggest strengths is its massive built-in library of effects, transitions, and trending templates. You can recreate popular TikTok styles with just a few clicks, which is perfect if you want your videos to match the latest trends without spending hours editing. CapCut Desktop also includes powerful tools like auto captions, background removal, and AI-powered motion tracking. These features used to be found only in expensive software, but here they are free and easy to use. Now let's talk about Clipchamp. This app is part of Microsoft, which means it comes built into many Windows systems. Clipchamp focuses on simplicity and accessibility. It runs both as a desktop app and in your browser, so you can start editing from almost anywhere. The interface feels light and welcoming, with all the basic tools clearly visible: trimming, cutting, resizing, text overlays, and audio adjustments. It is great for beginners who want to make polished videos without digging through complex menus. Clipchamp shines when it comes to ease of use. It has smart templates, quick export options, and a library of stock footage, music, and sound effects. It even includes brand kits, which are handy if you create videos for a personal brand or small business. Its auto caption and text-to-speech tools are surprisingly good, and the timeline editor feels familiar to anyone who has used simple editing apps before. Both tools are beginner-friendly, free to start with, and capable of producing high-quality content. The main difference is in style. CapCut is about creativity and trend-driven editing. Clipchamp is about simplicity and clarity. So for TikTok creators chasing originality, CapCut Desktop delivers the creative edge. For those who prefer fast, polished edits with minimal setup, Clipchamp keeps things smooth and simple. Either way, both make it easier than ever to create eye-catching videos that look great on any platform.